Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Introducing Xiaomi's latest innovation in the automotive world, the Xiaomi YU7. The most talked about aspect of this new model is undoubtedly its design. Some early comments liken it to a more aggressive Ferrari-inspired version of the SU7, or simply a lifted SU7. But the truth? It's far more sophisticated than that. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. At first glance, the front fascia seems nearly identical to the SU7. Sleek, minimal, and instantly recognizable as a Xiaomi creation. But look closer and you'll notice some clever refinements. The headlamps no longer retain their original Mi shape, and the upper grille section has been carved out, not for aesthetics, but for aerodynamics. Xiaomi has engineered a super long air duct, channeling airflow directly from the front to the rear of the hood, significantly reducing drag. According to official data, this alone adds up to 65 kilometers of additional range. Now let's talk about the front hood. It's massive, likely the largest Xiaomi has ever designed. But the improvements aren't just about size. Soundproofing materials have been added, and it carries over the electrically powered hood mechanism from the SU7 Ultra. Even the opening buttons are familiar. Notably, the front fender now houses a camera, largely due to a thicker vehicle profile. And thanks to this redesign, the front trunk now offers an impressive 141 liters of space, making it practical enough to accommodate a variety of luggage without compromise. Moving to the side profile, this is perhaps where comparisons to Ferrari come in, especially with that elongated front and a significant distance between the front wheel and A-pillar. However, while Ferrari's design language involves tighter, cinched lines in the rear, the YU7 stretches out its curves gracefully, delivering a more refined and elegant silhouette. One fresh addition is the V-shaped air vents on the sides, strongly reminiscent of the Aston Martin DBX. Now let's talk about one of the most subtle yet impactful upgrades, the door handles. When unlocked, the handles automatically rotate inward. But unlike the push-button design of the SU7, these are physical mechanical switches that feel significantly more premium. Better still, they remain operable even in a power failure, allowing manual access in emergencies. At the rear, Xiaomi has stepped up its game. Gone is the bulky, overly complex design of the SU7. In its place is a sleek, circular light ring that appears more three-dimensional and visually cleaner. Viewed from an angle, the rear profile boasts dramatic curvature, almost trapezoidal in form. What once seemed cramped on the SU7 now feels expansive and refined. The combination of cleaner lighting, muscular SUV proportions, and DBX-style aerodynamic elements make the YU7's rear undeniably attractive. While you may have seen leaks of the YU7's exterior online, the interior is where Xiaomi really surprises. Gone is the sporty SU7 style layout. In its place, the YU7 offers a warmer, homier design, focused on comfort over performance. The center console follows the latest trends in domestic EVs with a fully integrated, button-free interface. Even the door opening mechanism adopts a thumb press design, similar to what Xpeng offers. There's a clear shift away from the sporty tech aesthetic. This might lead some to joke that Xiaomi poached Xpeng's interior design team, though of course that's just playful speculation. From a practicality and comfort perspective, the interior is a major upgrade. A key detail, the traditional instrument cluster has been replaced by a long HUD-style LED strip, which projects critical driving data. It's bright, crisp, and immersive, though there's a minor visibility issue that requires a slight head tilt to read correctly. Hopefully, Xiaomi's engineers will fine-tune this in future updates. Other notable front-row enhancements include massaging seats and aids and a zero-gravity recline mode. Storage under the center console has also been expanded for greater usability. Now to the rear seats, which are in a completely different league compared to the SU7. With the driver's seat adjusted for someone around 1.8 meters tall, there's ample knee room, almost 2 fists worth. Plus, the raised seating and floor structure fully support the thighs, eliminating that small bench feeling. Headroom is also impressive, with over a fist's clearance. Here's where things get really comfortable. The rear seats are power adjustable and recline up to 135 degrees. This SUV's rear cabin is built for comfort, and it shows. Another standout is the rear control screen, conveniently mounted in front of the back row. What's unique here? It's magnetically attached, so you can simply pull it off. No need to lean over awkwardly to tap controls. Add to that the dedicated B-pillar air vents, and the rear becomes a haven of convenience and climate control. One of the SU7's biggest drawbacks was the limited trunk opening and space compromised by the electric spoiler. That's no longer an issue with the YU7. The trunk now features a wide opening and electric folding rear seats, offering a generous and flexible cargo space. So there you have it, Xiaomi's YU7 static preview. Does it meet your expectations? How does it compare to the SU7? More importantly, should Xiaomi launch the YU7 in US and UK markets? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget, a detailed review is on the way, so stay tuned to the channel and follow us on X for the latest tech news and exclusive deals.